Welcome back. Goa Recruitment Society employees sitting on a hunger strike claimed threats from the BJP bigwigs. The employees have vowed not to withdraw their agitation despite pressure tactics from the party in power. The workers accused the BJP Organization Secretary Satish Dhond of threatening them. Employees have also blamed BJP MLA Pramod Sawant. Employees have lodged a complaint against Sawant and Dhond. Police will register non-cognizable offence. Meanwhile, Congress leadership expressed party support to the society employees.
आपण म्हणालो सतीश धोंड म्हणून आपण आपल्याक तू वळखोंक ना तू वाटाद्यावर आहा थंयसर आणि मनोहर भाईक सांगून तुका उबो आणि आडवो हे मिनींग तेणी वापरले उबो आणि आडवो म्हणजे उबो चिरतलो आडवो कातरतलो ही मिनींग जालो.
Hundreds of workers are on indefinite hunger strike at Captain of Port's Point in Panji for past almost a week. Their deadline to the government ends on Saturday. The demands are yet to be fulfilled. The employees also blame the BJP MLA of Sankli Pramod Sawant who tried to mediate on the issue.
Pramod Sawantan म्हाका मागीर एक टाइम दिलो 15 मिनिटां दिता 15 मिनिटां भितर खाली जावंक जाय ते कितें ते आतां तुमी सांगा कमिटी म्हणून सांगले.
Chief Minister blames the union leaders for misguiding the employees.
सरकाराकडे सुद्धा कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसिस काम करणारे 5-7 वर्षांचे लोक असतात. आम्ही सोसायटी वाल्यांक आम्ही जबाबदार कशे असतले पण तांची व्यवस्था राखपा खातीर आम्ही कॉर्पोरेशन वगैरे आमच्या सरकारान केल्ले असतात. आता गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या प्रोसिजराक एक वेळ लागता हांव टायम लागता आनी इट हॅज इट्स ओन टायम.
कंप्लेंट घ्या ताणें धमकी दिली म्हणून सतीश धोंडान आनी प्रमोद सावंतान मारपाची धमकी दिली पुलीस कंप्लेंट घ्या.
हे पळय एखादो लिडर माथे फिरू जसो मेळ्ळो न्ही का असले कसलेय कंप्लेनी येतात समजले हे त्या भुरग्यांचें कल्याण करपाचें ना.
Prudent then contacted the leaders Ajit Singh Rane and Swati Kerkar on the issue, but they refused to comment. Congress has assured these workers party's full support.
जर सरकार तांची डिमांड जी आहा फाल्यां दिसभर मानून घेना जाल्यार जो डिसिजन ते घेतले तांचे फाटल्यान काँग्रेस पक्ष आसतलो आनी कसलेंय तर आंदोलन जावन वी आर रेडी टू सपोर्ट देम.
आमी अटक करची म्हणून क्लियर पत्र बरयला. एक तर सतीश धोंडाक अटक करची म्हणून आणि दुसरे म्हणल्यार MLA प्रमोद सावंत आसा ताका अरेस्ट करचो म्हणून. कित्याक धमकी दिल्लो हो ऑफेन्स जरी NC आसत और कितें आसत पण धमकी कोणे दिले हे आमी हांगा पळोवपाची गरज आसा.
We tried to contact Pramod Sawant and Satish Dhond on the allegations leveled by the workers. Pramod Sawant refuted the charges.
दुसरे दिसा सेम एडवर्टाइजमेंट पेपराक आयलो तांकां 10 वर्सां रिलॅक्सेशन दिली. त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता ही रिलॅक्सेशन दिल्या उपरांत ह्युमन रिसोर्स कॉर्पोरेशन अजून 2 एडवर्टाइजमेंट काडपाचे आसा आनी अशा पद्दतीन जे काही भुरगे उरता काही प्रमाणात तांचो सांबाळून घेवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. म्हाजी रिक्वेस्ट आसा की तेंच्यांनी परत एकदा हे रिजॉल्व करचें आपली ड्युटी रिज्यूम करच्यो आनी जे एडवर्टाइजमेंट आयला ताका एप्लाय करचे जेणे करून तेंचेर अन्याय जावचो ना. हे सरकार कोणाचेरूच अन्याय करिना. हांवें सरळ सरळ तांकां समजून सांगपाचो प्रयत्न केला जेन्ना सरकाराची बाजू तांकां सांगप आनी तांच्या खातीर कितें केलां हें तांकां कळपाक जाय. तुमच्या खातीर सरकारान कितें कितें केल्लें आसा हें सांगप आनी तेंच्यांनी ती धमकी म्हणून घेतली आसतली.
कापतलो बी हे शब्द घेवन
केन्नाच ना.
स्ट्रायक म्हाजे भुरगे करतात त्या भुरग्यांनी म्हाका आपलो डिमांड दिल्लो ना. 24 तारखेच्या भितर तांणी जॉयन जावचें ना जाल्यार म्हाका त्या डिपार्टमेंटान कळोवचें पडटलें की आय एम अनेबल टू प्रोवायड यू सेक्युरिटी. यू कॅन मेक युअर ओन अरेंजमेंट कित्याक रिस्क हांव घेवंक सोदिना.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The South Goa Zilla Panchayat unanimously adopted a resolution demanding withdrawal of amendments to the Agricultural Tenancy Act 1964. One of the ZP members who moved the resolution claimed that the amendments were against the interests of common men. The meeting was held on Thursday.
South Goa Zilla Panchayat held their meeting on Thursday. Various issues were discussed. South Goa ZP Chief Nelly Rodriguez briefed media after the meeting.
Kushali Veli moved a resolution opposing the Tenancy Act, which was unanimously adopted, and regarding the office premises, we moved a resolution that the new CM should expedite and try to give us the order at the earliest. Other members moved resolutions, also myself, congratulating Manohar Parrikar, who's become the defense minister and who made the country proud. He put Goa at the top of the map, and it's a pride and honor. We also congratulated Laxman Parsekar, who was our former Panchayat minister, and welcomed the new minister Dayanand Mandrekar, and congratulated Miki Pasheko for heading the RDA, and hope that through him our RDA works will be done.
South Goa Zilla Panchayat term will get over in March. The Zilla Panchayat have various plans events before March. Savio dies for Prudent.
Chief Electoral Officer of Goa, Narayan Nauti, appeared before the Vigilance Department. Vigilance Department had summoned Narayan Nauti for questioning in allegedly forging the documents. Validity of graduation certificate of Narayan Nauti is under question.
Educational qualification of Narayan Nauti is under scanner. Following the summon issued by the Vigilance Department, Narayan Nauti on Friday morning appeared before the investigating officer. Allegation against Narayan Nauti is that his graduation degree is not valid. Narayan Nauti has claimed that he passed his BA from Osmania University in March 1988. But allegation is that it is not third-year degree. Hence, it could not have been considered while selecting him for the post of Mamladar in 1993. Later, Nauti was elevated by Goa Public Service Commission. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.